Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams. It's Saturday, so that means it's time for Saturday Showcase. Saturday Showcase is where I share all the creations that I've made throughout the week that I still have here at my craft room. I don't have very many to share this week, but let's get on with it. First, I have this fun card that was for the Inky Paws challenge, which was a sketch challenge. Used the Newton's Antics stamp set, wishing you a perfect day. And then there's the inside. Super duper cute. And then I have the cards from the Final Farewell to Summer collab I did with Teresa from Fresh and Renewed with Teresa. These are also a Newton's Nook stamp set. It was one stamp set, one sketch, and one paper pad. The stamp set is Tides of Love. I will always love you. You occupy my heart. Again, they have those glossy accents on there. There's the inside. And then the last one, you are totally awesome. So again, not too many to share this week. It was a Craft and Chemi release. I will have a video up later sharing all of those creations. I have already sent those off to Kim so she can use them in the release party. Speaking of Craft and Chemi, this is my last release with them. I am stepping down from the design team. I have loved every single minute. I absolutely love Craft and Chemi, as my craft room shows, because I have so much of it. But I just felt it was time, with not knowing what is going on with my arm and the pinched nerve and just everything. But we all know that I will still be a huge fan, and I will be sharing my creations using those products whenever I can. So I think that's all I have for you today. Again, I will have that video up later sharing all of the cards I created for the new release. And until my next video, go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye.